Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all keeping safe and well. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video. That's because I have now returned to work and don't have as much free time. But anyway, this video is when I took my first journey after lockdown. I went straight to the Apple store in London. So if you'd like to see what I purchased, please stay tuned. Hi guys, as you can see, I am trying to do a bit of a vlog, but failing terribly at it. So this was my first trip out, and to go into the Apple store, you had to have your temperature taken, and they also gave you a mask to wear. So this was the helpful sales assistant who took me over to have a look at my potential items that I was going to buy. I would say that Apple are being extremely strict and have still got social distancing measures in place. They are taking no chances, and I was quite impressed with that. Hand sanitizer on deck, really strictly done, which is very important to keep us all safe. So I appreciated that, Apple. Thumbs up. So from the title of the video, you can see that I went to the Apple store to purchase some accessories. I'm not gonna lie, on this day it felt amazing just to be out and about and back in the stores. I was elated that I was able to go to the Apple store and buy a few more bits. But yeah, little things like this we took for granted before COVID hit, so I really appreciated this day. On this day, I was also able to purchase my Apple Care insurance for my iPad Pro that had been on my list, but I'd slipped because of COVID. So I killed two birds with one stone. So as you can see, I'm here, got my goodies, and now I'm making my way back to the table. So I'm back home now, but before I get to the unboxing, I'm going to do a shameless plug for my nail page at Hands on Nails on Instagram. If you like quality, versatile, bespoke nails, go and check out my page where I'll be more than happy to service you. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the unboxing. As you can see, I got myself a new sports band for my Apple 4th series watch, and this was in the color Vitamin C. I don't know where Apple gets these names, but I don't know. There was something about the name Vitamin C that tickled me a bit. Vitamin C was part of Apple's summer 2020 accessory release. This watch band also comes in the colour Seafoam, Lilium Blue and Coastal Grey. And as you can see, it retails for £49. So this watch band is for the 44mm Apple Watch. I currently have the 4th series watch and definitely due for an upgrade because I have scuffed the screen to bits. I chose the Vitamin C colour over the other summer releases because of the vibrancy of the orange. I'm a vibrant character, and I felt this release really embodied my character and the kind of person I am. And plus, you just get noticed wherever you go, especially, if you've got a matching set. So here I am doing the usual unboxing. Just look at that colour. It is gorgeous. colour alone deserves a thumbs up. And if you're enjoying this video, why not show your girl some love? So here I'm just trying to show you a comparison between the Grapefruit watch band and the vitamin C colour comparison. And thanks for all the love shown on my Grapefruit review. That's reached over 1,000 views, which is amazing. I mean, when I set out to do this, I never thought anybody would even view my videos, but it's nice to see that people are taking the time out. So your girl sending you lots of love. Thank you very much for the support. So here I'm just swapping the bands over. As you've seen in previous videos, the installation process is pretty simple. You just hit the small button behind the screen of your watch, slide them off and replace them with the new ones. The installation process couldn't be any easier. And there you go, your newly pimped out Apple Watch for summer. And believe you me, you will get a lot of attention wearing this watch. The compliments will not stop, I guarantee it. It was well worth the purchase. So guys, here it is on the wrist, absolutely stunning. But let me know what you think. Please leave your comments in the box below. So if you know me, then you know that I love my accessories to coordinate. So I couldn't leave the Apple store without getting the silicone case for my iPhone 11 Pro Max, also in the color vitamin C. As you can see, the color is absolutely stunning, and seeing the two together, you can see exactly why I couldn't leave the Apple store without purchasing both. Just absolutely gorgeous. I believe this retails for £45, and I know that might be a bit steep for some, but if you would like me to do a cheaper alternative to Apple accessories videos, then let me know in the comments below. Quality of these Apple iPhone cases are undeniable. They are premium and they really do make your phone feel loved and cared for in this quality velvety interior, and then this really robust yet soft exterior. You can't deny it. It is premium. Here's the two lying side by side. If you've got these items, then I guess you're just winning at life. I'm only joking. So guys, you know the drill. I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro Max to film this video. So I'm quickly gonna swap over to my backup phone so that I can show you what the case looks like on. So the dip in quality is real. I'm using the iPhone 8 Plus to film this now, and here we have my 11 Pro Max with the Grapefruit case on. I'm quickly just going to swap that over so we can see what it now looks like with our vitamin C fresh for summer 2020. In case you're wondering, my screen is not cracked. I have a screen protector on it which is cracked, but there we have it, and that's how beautifully it hugs my 11 Pro Max. Gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie, I was feeling myself. This is a really nice set, if I do say so myself, and my nails just set it all off. Guys, if you've liked this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But stay watching. I'm gonna show you a few videos and a few pictures of this vitamin C in natural daylight. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Continue to stay safe, and with any luck, I'll be back with another video soon. Stay blessed, beautiful people.